Welcome to this beautiful end unit townhouse currently for rent in River Oaks. Here we're entering on the main level, family room with fireplace and lots of light. Then we see the dining room, hardwood floors, and in the back the kitchen. Here from another angle, again the family room, here the kitchen. Lots of light here as well with a bay window. There is a pantry in the kitchen as well, and then the door right there, you see the half bath. From the main level we're going to go to the upper level. There we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathroom. Bedroom number 1 right here, and then the bathroom for the first 2 bedrooms. Here is the second bedroom. Then we're heading to the owner's suite with a large walk-in closet. The owner's suite, of course, has its attached own bathroom. The bathroom offers a soaking tub as well as a shower. Walkout basement, another fireplace right there. Then there is a third full bathroom and an additional room that could be used as a bedroom. Now the patio, fenced in backyard, and the laundry room is downstairs as well. You get to see that right here.